Well, with that big breaking news which is coming in, let's get you a reaction coming in from Pawan Kheda of the Congress party in the midst of this entire controversy and the political blame game which has already begun. Watch this.
Another incident has taken place in Kanpur where an LPG cylinder was being found on the railway track, and for that reason also Giriraj Singh has given a statement, and he said that there was a tactics to repeat what has happened in Godhra. This is another attempt which was being made.
It's your government, both at the center and at the state level. Every 15 days you plant a story, you leak a story that there's something has been found on the tracks. What are you doing towards it? During elections you come and take credit that law and order is under control. No untoward incident has been allowed to take place. Now what are you doing?
Sir, and what's the stand of the Congress party for the state of Manipur? Because now a memorandum has been submitted by the Chief Minister.
Well, that, of course, was Congress's reaction coming in regarding the Kanpur train mishap. Remember, what we are picking up right now is that it could be a major tragedy which has been averted because of that cylinder that you could see on your screens, on the right-hand side of your screens, which has now been recovered. The RPF has suspected that this could be foul play because the cylinder was placed right in the middle of the traps along with a bottle of explosives and chemicals near it, which is why there is a possible sabotage angle which is now being probed in. Of course, there has been politics over it immediately. Let me go across to IP Singh of the Samajwadi Party who's joining us here on the show. IP Singh ji, अभी गिरिराज सिंह तो बोल रहे हैं कि गोधरा जैसे ही कोई एक कॉन्स्पिरेसी हो सकती है जो कानपुर में हुई थी.
गिरिराज सिंह देश में दंगा फसाद कराना चाहते हैं. गिरिराज सिंह लगातार सांप्रदायिक बातें कर रहे हैं. वो प्रधानमंत्री जी के बहुत करीबी हैं. मैं तो समझता हूं कि गृह मंत्री जी चाहते होंगे या माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का इशारा होगा कि देश में दंगे हों, क्योंकि देश में अपरंपार महंगाई है, बेरोजगारी है. उत्तर प्रदेश काला हांडी बन चुका है. यहाँ गरीबी भूखमरी में एक पिता अपने मासूम बच्चे को बेच देता है. सरकारी अस्पतालों में दवाइयां नहीं है, सरकारी अस्पतालों में मरीज भर्ती नहीं हो पाता. गरीब दर की ठोकरें खा रहा है. देश के प्रधानमंत्री को माफी मांगनी चाहिए कि हम कहीं न कहीं हम जो अफ्रीकी देश है उस तरफ देश जा रहा है और देश को दंगों की आग में गिरिराज सिंह जैसे लोग झोंकना चाहते हैं. उत्तर प्रदेश में निर्दोष लोगों की एसटीएफ हत्याएं कर रही इनकाउंटर के नाम पर. तो जिस तरह के हालात उत्तर प्रदेश और देश में है, मैं यही कहना चाहता हूं कि बीजेपी केंद्र की सत्ता में और उत्तर प्रदेश जैसे राज्यों की सत्ता में रहने के बाद ये क्यों ये लोग देश में दंगा कराना चाहते, ये सवाल है.
Well, this is interesting. IPG, thank you. मगर गिरिराज सिंह बीजेपी बोल रहा है that it is a conspiracy and he is hinting towards the opposition parties, but the Samajwadi Party is saying that it is a conspiracy hatched by the BJP itself. So massive fervor, political fervor, which has been kicked off after the statement of Giriraj Singh. Let me go across to Adeep as well. Adeep, any kind of indications right now in the preliminary probe itself that this could be a conspiracy? Is there any parallel which is being drawn, any reason behind the parallel being drawn between what happened in Kanpur and what happened in Godhra?
Well, see, Megha, the senior officials of Anti-Terrorist Squad of Uttar Pradesh Police, they have reached the spot. The investigation is going on. Currently, the police is saying that they can't rule for foul play in this case, and the matter is being thoroughly investigated. The ATS has been given the task to investigate, and since the ATS has been given the task, the police is saying that they can't also rule out the terror angle in this case, and that is the main reason the ATS, the senior officials of the ATS, they have reached the spot, and now they'll be taking over the investigation. They are currently on the spot in Kanpur where this incident has taken place. The investigation is going on. The area where that particular LPG cylinder was placed near the track. That particular area has been sealed by the Kanpur police, and the investigation is going on. The political war of words has erupted between both the parties, whether it be BJP and Samajwadi Party. On the other hand, we have the Uttar Pradesh police who is investigating the case, and the threat probe of this case has been given to the ATS. That they will be leading the investigation apart from the GRP and what the Railway Police Force is doing. Meghna.
In fact, do stay on with us, Adib. We'll just come to you. It's important for us once again to listen into what exactly it is that Giriraj Singh has said. Remember, this is the statement which has sparked off this political row over the train tragedy, which could have been. Watch this.
कोई चूक नहीं है रेल मंत्रालय का, रेलवे का। ये एक प्रयोग चल रहा है और ये एक साजिश है, लेकिन इस साजिश पर जो आज विदेश में जाके बोल रहे हैं राहुल गांधी, भारत को गाली दे रहे हैं, अखिलेश यादव उत्तर प्रदेश में बोल रहे हैं, लेकिन कालिंदी एक्सप्रेस पर इन लोगों की जुबान बंद है। ये आज साफ हो गया कि ये एक साजिश चल रहा है भारत को रेल मंत्रालय के माध्यम से कि एक नया गोधरा कांड हम शुरू करें।
Well, of course, there is this massive controversy which has been kicked up. The RPF, remember, has not ruled out any foul play in the midst of the Union Minister Giriraj Singh saying that there is a Godhra-like conspiracy. However, what are the facts on the ground? Well, it's important for us to understand what had happened in this case. Well, the Kalindi Express, it was travelling from Prayagraj to Bhiwani, and it collided. While it was at a very fast speed, it collided with a cylinder which was allegedly placed right in the middle of the tracks of this high-speed train. Then this train driver apparently saw the cylinder. However, since this train was at such a high speed, he collided with this cylinder nonetheless, and then the cylinder was thrown about 50 meters away, not causing any damage. The Railway Protection Force, the RPF, it is currently looking into the matter, and they are saying that a foul play cannot be ruled out. In fact, we spoke to the DGP as well, Prashant Kumar. He has said that yes, indeed, every angle is being looked into, and there is an FIR now as well which has been filed in the case. Meanwhile,